Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're talking about how to fix Instagram repost button missing. So firstly guys, what you might want to do is check for updates. Alright, and in here you go to, for example, your apps, manage apps and device, and in the updates make sure to update your Instagram if there's an update available for it. Or you can just go to Instagram like this and see if there's an update available. Also guys, you can go into the settings and go ahead and just log out and then log back in. Sometimes the elements inside of the interface in the app are just bugged out, and if you relog into the app, it can actually fix that. So just log out and log back in with your email and password. And the last thing you might want to do is just to go in and long press on the app and try to clear data, for example, clear cache. Maybe this will help, and also clear the data, but make sure to understand that this will erase all data, so it will log you out. And also, if nothing helps, just uninstall the app, go back into the Play Store and install it again. So these are the possible fixes, guys. Enjoy. Hopefully this helps you to restore your Instagram button to repost the different posts on Instagram. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.